Welcome everyone. This project name is Air Quality Classification. We have developed this project as IPython notebook file. So let's go. Air Quality Classification title. So these are the necessary libraries: NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn. So everything. So second thing is, so we create file path for our folder, and then for our file, our file name is labeled data. It's a CSV file, comma separated value. So this is the first 5 rows of our file. Our file stored in the raw data. So we use getter function. It will display the first 5 rows. So these are our features. So temp, RH, ch4, so nmhc, no, nox. So everything our features name. Last one is our class name. So here we have 5000 values. So this is the length of our data. So this is the all the columns names. Here we have checked the null values. So in this is the all the columns. So null values count 0. So we have used testgrab function. So here this cell is important. Here we store feature name only, features names only, and then we stored in the Y class name only. So this is the features, first 5 rows of features. This is the first 5 rows of labels. So 3, 3, 3, 2, 2. These are our values. So binary count. So using temp and RH values, we have plotted one scatter plot. So using temp and nmhc features, using these two features, we have plotted one scatter plot. So see, we have created one counter plot using the label values and feature values. So see, this is the class values, this is the feature values count. So in the label, 0 is the highest amount, 1 is next highest, 2 is and third highest. So like this 3. So next we have import smooth. So the function of smooth is nothing but see, when compare with each values. So when compare in the 3 value, when compare with the 0, it's a very less. 4 doesn't has a values, I think. So very small values. So smooth will balance everything. So here so we have one CSV file, but we want X train, X test, Y train, Y test for train test our model. So using train test split of function, we separate values for X train, X test, Y train, Y test. So test size 0.25 means nothing but 25% for test purpose. So after the value separation, we store all the values in the training testing folder as Excel file. So our model name is support vector machine. From the support vector machine, we import support vector classifier. Then we fit our model. So then we have give some test values here, X test values. Then this is the predictions. So model predictions. So then we import classification report, confusion matrix, accuracy score. So our accuracy score is 91%. So this is the classification report values. This is the confusion matrix. So here we have separated the precision recall F1 score values. So using precision recall F1 score values, we have plotted one bar chart. Then we give two inputs. So one input for prediction 1, one input for prediction 2. So this is the prediction values. So the input for given input 1, the result is 0. For given input 2, the result is 0. Our model predicted the values correctly. So see, 0 means nothing but given input belongs to these values. Thank you for watching, and subscribe our channel for more interesting projects.